Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I just want to say happy birthday, sis. I love you to pieces. I hope you have the best birthday. And I'm going to do a little painting for you. But first I have someone else that wants to wish you a happy birthday as well. Love you.
Happy birthday, Bubbles! Sorry I couldn't be here creating with the rest of you. Recovery for the tummy is complete, but as you can see, we are getting ready to move. So my studio is all packed up, but hopefully by the time you guys see this, everything should hopefully be set up in our new home, and I will be creating by that time. Fingers crossed. And I just hope, Bubbles, that this is the best birthday ever. I wish you all the love in the world, health and happiness to you. And thank you so much, Christy, for letting me hijack your video for a few seconds. I love you all. Health and happiness to you all. Again, happy birthday, Bubbles. Mwah! Bye.
Okay, so that was Julie from It's Art by Julie E. So she wanted to say happy birthday but couldn't be here, as you can see. So I love you, sis. Happy birthday. I just want you to have the most amazing birthday. You're the best. So let's do some painting. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a Wombat Wonder Pillow, and I think with a bloom in the middle. So I'm just going to play a little music and let you guys watch. I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is. Thank you for watching. Happy birthday, sis. Up next is my amazing friend Nath from the Fine Art of Distraction. Don't miss anybody else. If you missed anybody before me, please go back and watch. Everyone here is so amazing. Alright guys, I love you all to pieces. Have a great day or a great night wherever you are, and see you on the next one. Bye guys.